The BJP's massive victory in the 2026 West Bengal Assembly elections was not built on loud campaigns alone, but through a sustained grassroots outreach and what Sangh affiliates described as whisper campaigns carried out over more than a year. From tea stalls and grocery shops to rural beauty parlors and auto rickshaws, subtle political messaging reportedly played a major role in shaping voter sentiment across the state. The election results declared on May 4 reflected the impact of the strategy, with the BJP winning 207 out of 294 seats and forming the government in West Bengal for the first time. The ruling Trinamool Congress was reduced to 80 seats from its 2021 tally of 215 seats, while the BJP jumped from 77 seats in 2021 to 207 in 2026. According to RSS functionaries, nearly 50,000 auto rickshaw drivers in Kolkata quietly spread political messages during conversations with passengers. Sangh affiliates also identified local influencers, including tea stall owners, grocery shopkeepers, and operators of small beauty parlors in both urban and rural Bengal to build voter outreach at the grassroots level. RSS-linked organizations said they focused on issues such as alleged oppression, extortion, women's safety, illegal immigration, and demographic changes in Bengal. The RG car rape murder case, Sandesh Khali incidents, corruption allegations, cut money extortion, and unemployment were repeatedly highlighted during voter contact programs. BJP leaders including Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed major rallies, but party leaders said the real emphasis was on booth-level outreach and door-to-door campaigns. BJP workers reportedly visited families over tea and snacks, often avoiding direct political discussions and instead focusing on building familiarity and trust. The BJP also strengthened its organizational structure ahead of the polls by identifying around 44,000 booths and deploying Panna Pramukhs to maintain direct contact with small groups of voters until polling day.